What is the recommended maintenance for my washing machine? Regular maintenance for your washing machine can help ensure its longevity, efficiency, and performance. Here are some recommended maintenance steps for your washing machine. Clean the exterior. Wipe down the exterior of the washing machine with a damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. Pay attention to the control panel and any buttons. Clean the dispenser and lint filter. Regularly clean the detergent dispenser, fabric softener dispenser, and bleach dispenser. Remove and clean the lint filter to prevent clogs. Clean the drum. Periodically run an empty cycle with hot water and a cup of white vinegar to clean and deodorize the drum. This helps remove buildup and odors. Check hoses and connections. Inspect the water supply hoses for any signs of wear or leakage. Replace them if they are damaged. Also, ensure that the hoses are properly connected and not kinked. Level the machine. Make sure the washing machine is level and stable. Adjust the leveling feet if necessary to prevent excessive vibration during operation. Check the drain hose. Ensure that the drain hose is securely attached and not damaged. Make sure it's properly inserted into the drain pipe. Clean the drain pump filter. Some washing machines have a drain pump filter that collects debris. Check your machine's manual for instructions on how to clean it. Use the right detergent. Use the appropriate type and amount of detergent for your washing machine. Using too much detergent can lead to excessive suds and residue buildup. Run regular hot water cycles. Periodically run hot water cycles without laundry to help prevent detergent and fabric softener buildup. Clean the door seal. If your washing machine has a door seal, clean it regularly to prevent mold and mildew growth. Wipe it down and ensure it's dry after each use. Prevent overloading. Avoid overloading the washing machine, as it can strain the motor and other components. Check for unbalanced loads. If your washing machine becomes unbalanced during the spin cycle, it can cause excessive vibration. Stop the cycle, rearrange the load, and restart. Keep the lid or door open. After using the washing machine, leave the lid or door open for a while to allow moisture to evaporate, preventing mold growth. Professional maintenance. If you notice unusual noises, leaks, or other issues, it's best to contact a professional technician for diagnosis and repairs. Always refer to your washing machine's owner's manual for specific maintenance guidelines and recommendations. Following these maintenance steps can help prolong the life of your washing machine and ensure it continues to operate efficiently.